Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to change your language in Envato Element. We have the link to Envato in the description below so you can get a head start on using Envato and enjoy the services at the end of this video. So in order to change the language, what you'll simply need to do is to scroll to the bottom of your screen, and at the bottom right corner you can see English, which is the language we're using, and if you click on the drop down you see in 6 languages. So these are the languages available, so you need to choose what you'd like to move to. So let's say we want to change it to Russian. We're going to choose Ruski. And you can see right here, Dobro Pozhalovat Rex, and this is it. And you can scroll down and everything is in Russian. So if you'd like to change it again, you can come down to the bottom and click on the drop down and you'll see some others right here. Now these are the steps if you're using the Envato Elements Classic site. However, if you're using the new Envato Experience, you just need to go to the bottom left corner, then you'll find the language icon. Select the language, then pick your preferred language. Don't forget to check out the link for Envato where you can enjoy assets and unlimited downloads for your productions. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.